Welcome back to 100 Drawers. If this is your first video on the 100 Drawers Ecommerce Manager video series, I strongly advise you to watch the first video in this series from the link in the video description. You may also find a free download link for this Excel file in the video description below. In the last video, we checked the customer database, choosing a customer for a new order, and possible scenarios of customer duplication and how to fix them. In today's video, we will take a look at the advanced operations in system preferences. I'm not sure this name is accurate for this operation. It is to import all the data from an older versions of 100 Drawers Ecommerce Manager into newer version of the spreadsheet. Because 100 Drawers Ecommerce Manager is a long-term project for this channel, unlike established applications that can update the software over the internet, I have to create this function to let you update your Excel file whenever a newer version is released. This function will import all the databases and every logo together with their sizes and locations. To update the Excel file, download and open the newer version whenever it is released. Go to System Preferences and click Import under the System Migration. It will prompt for a previous version of 100 Drawers Ecommerce Manager. Choose the one you are using daily, that is packed with all the databases, and it will open the file you chose. A message will pop up confirming the versions of both Excel files. Click Yes. If everything goes accordingly, it will run for a few seconds. Then ask to save a file as it is closing. This is the previous version file. Choose not to save, and the file will be closed. All the databases is now copied to this new version of Excel file. Save the file and you are ready to process your next order. Scroll down in the System Preferences and you will see these manual instructions. Click on this cell and the tooltip box will show up, displaying the instructions you can use. Master Reset will delete all the databases. And the Reset Conditional Formatting will reset all the conditional formatting in this file. To the right is the Developer button. This button will unhide all the columns and the Enable event is turned off. Hidden columns hold the values for all the background calculations. Unhide all the hidden columns is like viewing the application get naked, revealing all the values in the background. To understand all those hidden columns and what they are for, please watch my hidden columns video for a further walkthrough. If you are not familiar with the enable event in VBA coding, turning the enable event off means that the Excel will not respond to the events like selecting a cell or modifying a cell. This is useful for a developer like myself to do debugging. If you are also debugging or modifying the application and need the enable event turned on in developer mode, click on the Reset button in the Sales and Order form. To go back to normal mode, you may click again the Developer button and the application will go back to the main menu. If in the developer mode and you have turned on the enable event, simply select a menu button to go back to normal mode. This ends the advanced operations for this version of 100 Drawers Ecommerce Manager. In the next video, we will take a first look at the report sheet, a feature for full version of this application. Subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out. Head over to my Ko-fi page for free download or sign up for the membership to get an invitation to join our Facebook community. Thank you so much for watching this series and thank you for your comments, likes and shares. I'll see you in the next video.